Nasaksihan ng lahat kahapon kung paano na naman sila sumablay dyan sa impeachment trial. Mukhang halata talaga na may pinalitan ba sa date ba, tapos sabihin ng witness hindi niya alam. O eto, panoorin natin ang video. Kung hindi man natatakpan ng maleta yung mga mata nyo, kitang-kita nyo ang binago. Eto, panoorin natin ang video.
There is a stamp Department of Justice received, but it appears that it was initially stamped February 12, 2025, but there is a marking, a manual marking that converted it to January 30, and there is also a word there, JAN. So January 30 ang lumabas, no?
Okay.
My question to you is this. The stamp says Department of Justice, correct?
Well,
No,
wala akong hawak na document ko.
You
Your
can
Honor.
perceive it.
Kung-
And
kung
mind you,
yung-
these are
kung-
not our documents. These are part of Annex G9 of the Articles of Impeachment. So these are not our documents.
Your Honor, I would like to object now. The witness already said that he is not aware as to the actual filing because he only asked his agent on case to investigate. And then now the witness is now being propounded to question as to what appears on the stamp as to the time or date of receipt by the DOJ. So the witness said he is not competent to answer that. Your Honor, please. Oh, wait, I'm not done. That's the first one. Your Honor, please. No need for the court to rule, but I am registering my continuing objection to this series of questions as to the prior affidavit of investigation, when in fact, this witness already said that he complied with all the requirements by the DOJ and came up with a February 10, 2025 affidavit investigation. So I move that it be noted, Your Honor, please. The continuing objection.
of counsel for the prosecutor is noted, but counsel, as pointed out by counsel for the respondent, this is part and parcel of the complaint
Yes, ma'am.
that the panel of prosecutors filed before this court. If the witness knows, he may answer.
So the question is, the stamp says Department of Justice, correct? It's a very basic question.
Again, I don't know, Your Honor.
No, based on this document,
Argumentative, Your Honor.
the only question is, it says Department of Justice, correct?
As I've said, Your Honor, hindi ako ang nag-file. May inutusan daw ako.
Do you see it in the screen, and
Your
do you
Honor,
see it
the
in the hard
witness-
copy?
Counsel asked and answered, move on. That's
Okay.
the response of the witness.
So, will you agree that considering that this was supposed to be received by the DOJ, it is only the DOJ that has the authority to change the date?
Again, you asked the DOJ, sir. Wala ho akong
Exactly.
idea dyan.
All right.
Counsel for the prosecution, kindly avoid.
All right, but
side
this is not from the DOJ. This is your copy. This is a receiving copy. So when you receive back your receiving copy, you did not bother checking this portion?
Your Honor, hindi ako personally nag-receive niyan.
But this is your affidavit of investigation.
Objection argumentative, Your Honor. Asked and answered.
Asked and answered, move on, counsel.
All right. My question to you now is this. The discrepancy is not 1 day or 2 days. The discrepancy is from Feb 12 to January 30. So it is a substantial discrepancy. My question to you is this. Who changed this
Objection.
date?
Objection, Your
If
Honor.
you know.
That's misleading, Your Honor. My goodness, that's misleading. This counsel is assuming that somebody changed what? The counsel failed to elicit any answer from this witness. And now the counsel is conceiving that somebody changed that and confronting our witness with that. Misleading. This is the classic case of a misleading question. You
Counsel-
assume something that has yet to be established. That's not how we do it. With all due respect.
Counsel for respondent, I think you made your point and you gave a copy to the senator judges, and we see your point.
All right.
One.
But my more important observation is this.
Objection, Your Honor, please. You are supposed to ask questions.
Yes,
and not
I will.
make
I will go to the
Kindly-
question. I will go to the question.
Kindly allow counsel for respondent to finish his question. He may just still be laying the basis. You may
Thank you,
proceed,
Your Honor.
counsel.
That's precisely
for
what I'm doing, Your Honor. Can I direct everyone's attention to the date appearing at the bottom portion of this document? It says here,
counsel, technically not everyone, just the witness.
Yes.
And let's see if the witness can answer your question.
it says here February 11, 2025. So in other words, it was and it says here subscribed before NBI agent Ricarte. In other words, the date of the document is February 11, but it was received on January 30, 2025 by the DOJ. Do you have any explanation for this? That's the
Objection,
question.
Your Honor. Objection. This witness is incompetent to attest to that exactly because he said he is not aware of this series of facts. I know where the counsel for respondent is going. Unfortunately for him, his line of argument was already nipped in the bud when this witness said he is not aware of that. He should move on to other points.
Your Honor, the witness said that the investigation date, this investigation data form was attached to the original affidavit of investigation. And we want an explanation why there is a discrepancy on the date. The witness is a lawyer.
Exactly.
He has
that's
an
the point.
experience, Your Honor, in filing cases. We just want to know, Your Honor. We want to get to the bottom of this
I have to
matter.
object to that. I have to object to that.
Considering
The witness-
also, Your Honor, that this is about transparency.
Will the parties please settle down? If the witness knows,
Yes.
Attorney Latok, do you know? Can you explain the discrepancy, or are you personally aware of the discrepancy?
I cannot explain this, Your Honor. Unang-una, hindi ako nakapirma dito, hindi ako nag-receive. At wala akong idea dito sa...
But Attorney Latok, you see the point that the counsel for respondent is trying to make, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That the
But,
date of receipt was changed to 1/30, January 30, but it was subscribed to on February 11. Meaning, you see it, but you have no personal knowledge how that came about.
yes, Your Honor.
Ano sa tingin nyo? Hindi nila alam yan. Hindi nila nakikita yan. Sa mga loyalista nga, hindi nila nakikitang may binago dyan. Sa tingin ko, ito sa tingin ko lang ha, kasi may nakikita akong binago dyan eh, kung bakit binago nila yung date umatras eh. From February 12, mukhang naging January 30. Yun yung sa tingin ko ha. Kayo, may nakikita ba kayo? Hindi ba natatakpan yung mga mata nyo? Grabe, taranta yung abogado na naman. Objection, pakpak, ganun. Tapos yung witness, nakayuko na lang. Tapos sabihin, wala siya alam. Ano ba naman yan? Akala ko ba babawi kayo? Netong nakaraan, kayo'y pinagtatawanan. Ngayon, ganun pa rin naman. Dito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.